so stoked that I finally got my at-home steam sauna room. Oh my gosh, let's get it open. Now, I ordered this from Amazon. I've got my order details in the comments, so feel free to take a look and order your own. This kit cost about $100 with tax and all, but very neatly packaged. Directions? Who needs them? Let's start to just get it open. Now, Joel has one of these. His is a little bigger, I believe. And he did tell me that it was very easy to set up. So, I'm counting on not needing paper directions. Pops out really easily. Okay. Exactly the size I thought. I would like to get it a little bit bigger, but we'll give this a shot for now. Right now, I'm so excited. Let's take a look at the boxes inside and see what's there. Oh, here's the tank. So this is your crock pot, your steamer. Nice digital controls. It's also remote controlled. More stuff inside. Tubing. Oh, I know what this is. This is the herb box. This is what you can put your eucalyptus leaves, your lavender, whatever, roses. Oh, I'm so excited for this. And nice stainless steel inside. I've got my very own at-home steam room. And the pot is also remote controlled. We're going to try to figure that out in a little bit. And there's also the herb box that I showed you earlier. That little container there. And it's got the tube. So I know a tube goes on here. All right. But I'm just one of those people, like, even if the directions in the box, even if the pictures are in the box, like, I'm gonna just do the best I can. I'm gonna thug it out. Okay, but in the herb box, I keep eucalyptus and lavender in my bathroom shower. So I got some of that out, and only that in the herb, only herbs in the herb box. Okay, again, no oil. Do not put oil in your crock pot either. Okay, it's got a fill line and it tells you where to fill it to, but do not add oil to your pot. It will explode. Okay, so only water there. Let's try to put this baby together. And then we're getting steaming. Ooh, I can't wait. Drink plenty of water before getting in your sauna. Let's go. Now, after much rigging, I was able to find a spot in my bedroom. It's, you know, it looks a little bit impractical, but I'm going to try and make it work. And now this should be your setup. So pot and all things on the outside. Let me turn it around. Hose goes through here, connecting to your fumigation. Your steam is going to be flowing in. Let's hope I do this right. So the pot stays on the outside. Okay. I'm making all the mistakes for you. All right, so this is what it is. See, the pot is outside. There's already steam coming up out of it. It doesn't take long to heat up at all. That steam is supposed to come in this tube to the pot, the eucalyptus pot, under my booty, under the seat, and that's what's gonna steam me. Okay, so I've got it set for 45 minutes now. We'll let it go and see how I'm steaming in a few minutes. That eucalyptus, it does not smell this strong in the shower. This is amazing. It's got this neat little hat feature if you want to have your head out, but I choose to have my whole body inside, and that way even my face, my everything is getting the full benefit of the steam. Okay, I may even crouch down lower just to get closer to it, but we're gonna go for a few minutes and I'll see you in a bit. We are at 25 minutes. So I've only been in for about 25 minutes and I am soaked. I'm going back in to finish this up. We'll chat later, but I just burned, I don't know how many calories. I didn't go to a gym. I'm just in my sauna, in my bedroom, at home. Oh my goodness. We are all done. Oh, letting some of the steam escape, but look at all the water on my body. Oh my gosh. Don't mind the rolls, they won't be there long. But look at all this water. My face has a nice facial, my scalp, everything. And I don't care what, but sweating is still the best way to burn calories and lose weight. So I know throughout the day I don't sweat a whole lot, but by having that sauna, I'm at least tricking my body into some sort of activity. And not only that, but you're talking about improved mobility over time, flexibility. I'm gonna take a shower, clean up, relax, and jump back in again in the morning. You gotta try it. It is such a luxurious thing to do for yourself. The only thing I believe I'm gonna do is too damn small. Ooh, if you're claustrophobic, you ain't gonna like it there. But I can order a bigger tent. So I think over time I'll do that. Not only that, but ladies, one of these weekends when I'm doing some self-care, I made myself a little yoni steam blend, and it's got cardamom and basil and rosebud and cinnamon and just goodies. There's some magnolia flower and magnolia bud in there. But you take it out. I'll make it for you if you want. But it still smells so good and so fragrant. Tastes like seasoning, but for your yoni. And then you put it in your bowl, and then we're going to put the bowl inside when we're doing that self-care thing. And then we'll make sure that we're nice and fresh and clean from the inside out. I suggest you get a bigger tent. If you're a bigger person who just wants a little more room, or a little person like me, I'm only about 5'3" and 3/4. I'm taking that 3/4. And I need a bigger one. But my, oh my, what, like I said, it's luxurious. It feels like you're doing something really rich for you. So take the time, get you an at-home sauna. And I'll share the details and the link from my Amazon checkout. Talk to you soon. And know that I love you, sugar. And I hope you love me back.